Frank Coxwell of Coxwell and Associates is joining me this morning, and you're talking about a little bit of a different topic. You're teaching two classes.
Yes, at the Millsaps Community Enrichment Series, I'm teaching two classes, one on mortgages and then the other on the truth about bankruptcy.
So very informative classes. A lot of these things students really want to get this information. Tell us a little bit more in depth about these classes.
The mortgage class is for anybody that has a mortgage and that's interested in knowing how mortgages are bought and sold in Mississippi, the modification programs that are available out there, and the foreclosure process, and why mortgage companies would rather foreclose your house than keep you in it. The other program is the truth about bankruptcy, and it's just an informative program about what bankruptcy can do, what it can't do, and how it can help people in Mississippi hold on to what they have.
And do you have to be a student at Millsaps to take these classes?
No, these are night classes and Saturday classes for the general public. And if you're not interested in my classes, they have about 70 other classes that...
70?
70 other classes
Wow.
that cover all sorts of fun stuff, home and garden, history, dance, wine tasting, jewelry making, all sorts of really neat stuff.
A bunch of different classes. So how'd you get involved in teaching these?
I took some courses there and really enjoyed them, and I have gathered the bankruptcy and the mortgage information from a lot of different sources. And you know, legal information is just not available to the public in one form or another at one source. So I put this all together, trying to give people information about things that I think are topical right now, and certainly bankruptcy and mortgage problems are.
Absolutely, especially in this economy. And you know, are there tests? Like, how does the class work? Do you
well, you have to pay for them. I think.
Well, yeah. I got that.
$20 to $40, but there's no test. It's just fun, and they're informative and teaching kind of courses for the general public.
So you're not going to be quizzing people.
No,
darn.
No.
So, when are the classes? Is it one time a week, or is it how often?
Yeah. Now my classes run on Thursday nights from 6 to 8 for the mortgage class, and then the bankruptcy class is Saturday, October 6th from 10 to 12. But the other classes run different nights during the week, Monday through Friday, and some on Saturday. It just depends on which class you're interested in.
So is it a one-time class, or is it going to last over a semester?
Some go 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks.
Just depends on which one you take.
Yeah, some of the more difficult classes, maybe the dance classes, might take 4 to 6 weeks. My mortgage class is just 2 nights, one night a week for 2 weeks, and then one Saturday for the bankruptcy class.
That's great. I mean, just really informative. I think a lot of people are going to be interested in taking your class. And if you guys want more information, you can always go to Millsaps' website. And Frank Coxwell, his contact information for the Coxwell Law Association is, Coxwell and Associates is 601-948-4450. You can always visit their website at coxwelllaw.com. And Frank, just some really cool stuff that you're teaching those classes, and want to get the word out. And hopefully, if you're interested in taking those, be sure to visit Millsaps' website and get all the information. You know, it's not a huge time commitment.
No, and they can call my office if they can't figure out where to find out more information about it. We can tell them the website or the phone number to call.
Okay, great. Thanks so much, Frank, for coming and telling everybody all the good information.
Thank you.
All right.